Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to fix a sound issue. If there is no sound right, then your output device will be mapped with some other speakers. In order to enable the audio device, right, you need to go to Windows settings, sound mixture options. Sound mixture options. So just click on that. So here, right, I need to play some videos as well. See now the sounds are playing, but there is no sound. So going back to Windows settings. So this is full sound. The speaker also full options. So the speaker has been changed. I mean, it is connected to the controller. So I need to change this. So if you click on the drop down, right, you can see the whatever the speaker output is there that will be displaying here. So go to speakers and real tech. I'm gonna click that. Super cool. Also, you can change that under settings, sound mixture options. So here, right, you need to change the output. If any other speaker is selected, just choose the right one. So this is the right speaker, sound is coming. So that's it friends, this is the way you can fix the audio issue in Windows 10 PC. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback. Thank you. Bye friends and take care.